Here is how to say 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and so on in Haitian Creole. Ine, dese, troise, quatre, cinque, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix, onze. And now finally, midi is noon and minuit is midnight. Alright, let's say now you want to ask someone for the time in Haitian Creole. How would you say that? Well, that would be qu'il est lié. And that means, what time is it? Now, if you want to be more specific by asking for the time of a specific event, then you can simply say qu'il est and then mention that event. Let's say, for example, you wanted to ask, when is the game in Haitian Creole? Well, that would be qu'il est jouet là. As you can see, jouet là, the game, appears after qu'il est, what time. Alright, now for the other way around. Let's say, for example, someone is asking you what time it is. How would you answer that? To say what time it is, simply say li and then say the time. So going back to what we learned earlier. Let's say, for example, you wanted to say it's 5 o'clock. That would be li cinque, li six for 6 o'clock, li sept for 7 o'clock, and so on. Alright, now let's say you have to be more exact and you have to mention the time along with the minutes. How would you do that? Well, simply say the hours of the clock as mentioned earlier and then mention the number of minutes. Let's say, for example, you wanted to say it's 7:20 in Haitian Creole. Well, that would be li sept 20, 8:25, li huit 25, 9:48, li neuf 48, and so on. Alright, and now finally to say quarter past, half past, and quarter to in Haitian Creole, that would be un quart, which means quarter past, et demi, which means half past, and finally moins quart, which means quarter to. Now here too, the same rule applies. First, say the hour from the clock, and then say the moment of time relative to the hour. So let's say, for example, you wanted to say it's a quarter past 5 in Haitian Creole, then that would be li cinque un quart. Let's say, for instance, you wanted to say it's half past 5. Well, that would be li cinque et demi. And finally, let's say, for example, you wanted to say it's a quarter to 6. Well, that would be li six moins quart. And there you go. This is how you tell time in Haitian Creole. For more videos like this, subscribe and visit howtocreole.com.